finna make it break a bitch. Smack her all upside her head and let her know my dick. She gon' try to make it look as if you going out like the hoe. Never think twice about a bitch, cause when you dip it, you know. Don't get caught up with no the bitches try to get your head, make it break it, take that hoe and have that hoe make you break. Rearrange the situation like I'm doing things before. Always stay a step ahead and make her make your cash flow. Get that bitch a nigga, keep that hoe up on the call. Let her know that what you say.
Okay guys, so we got most of the panels stripped off the moped. We're about to get ready to paint, but I can't get this off because I got the wires stuck to it, and since the lady super glued them, my knife isn't cutting them open. And right here, the lady here. I don't know if you want to see that in there. She stripped the crap out of it. Hello guys, this is Eddie and Marley here. I'm actually working on the moped right now, and let me tell you, this thing looks sick. I cannot show it because this video is not the video where we painted it. This thing is fully painted. What I can reveal is a little bit of sneak peek of an upcoming video. We mounted a GoPro thingamajiggy for it, but I converted it to a phone holder because I can't afford a GoPro yet. The only GoPro I have is from like 2018, and it doesn't even work anymore, and they don't even make adapters for it anymore. It kind of sucks. So, yeah. But this video literally just shows me tearing down the thing, and I know last video was titled Tearing Down the Moped. And hello guys, so I just wanted to let y'all know, at the time of filming this video, it actually wasn't a month-long cliffhanger. It was actually only 2 weeks. I'll put it up on the screen right now. At the time of filming this video, it is around June 20th, 2026. After uploading the video that y'all would have seen last, which was vlog 8, this should be vlog 9 if I remember correctly. I'm banned at the time of making this video. I don't really know what to do about that. When I get unbanned though, I'm going to start uploading gaming videos, and I was told by friends and people who are also creators who have gotten banned off YouTube to not upload a vlog for 90 days until my 90-day appeal is gone, or not, my 90-day period is gone. Only upload gaming videos until then. So we're only going to be uploading farm sim videos until the 90-day mark is gone, and that is also after I get unbanned, which could take anywhere from 3 days to, I've heard, 3 months. So there might be a solid 6 months of no vlogs, which kind of sucks because I just got parts of the moped and the Dakota. And I'm also really excited to upload more videos with the Dakota and more videos with the moped. And I'm planning on buying a whole other car really, really soon, which I will not be able to show y'all. And it really makes me mad and really makes me upset. So if y'all want to see actual vlog content and updates on the car collection and the vehicles, go to my TikTok. I will link it in the bio. And also, if y'all want to see some cool edits that I do, I'll also link my Savage Films account in my bio. Sorry for just me taking a long time of your time, but I just want to let y'all know that I'm currently banned after making this video. So this is editing Marley, going back to editing Marley to let y'all see the current video after editing Marley is done talking. So this is editing Marley. Goodbye, and y'all will see editing Marley in a second. Man, that was hard to say. I then left you kind of like on a cliffhanger. Now we're resuming it. But just tearing down the moped part 2. Let's get into it. Well, y'all are already into it. There was no intro previously. And there's not even a bolt or screw that will fit in there anymore. So I'm trying to see if there's any way I can just like break it off or something like that without actually breaking this whole thing. And then I'm still trying to figure out how to take this whole front end off so I can go paint it. But I decided we're just gonna paint it, make it simple. Guys, we're getting ready for paint and everything else. We got Dexter on the phone, say hi.
Yo.
But we're getting ready for paint. Got the bike almost stripped down, just gotta fix. I just gotta get those last 2 pieces off, but I will in a little bit. Right now we're just doing the first coat on these. So these are all the ones we already sanded down. It's editing Marley again. By the way, black is not the final color that we went. That was just simply a test coat to see how the paint or how the plastic would adapt to the paint. I'll let you know what we went for in a later video, not this one. Hey guys, so we're passing by, and I just want to get a sun video. I can't. If you guys don't know what this clip is about, when we were dropping off Dexter at his house last video, a lab blew up. Watch, I don't know if it blew up or if it caught fire or what. Lab got raided and we caught smoky on the inside. Maybe it was tear gas, maybe it was a fire extinguisher. I don't know. I don't really care. right near my house when got raided. And I recorded it last video. And for YouTube, everyone in this was okay. Sorry if my fingers in the way a little bit, guys. I gotta cover the flashlight so the cops don't get mad at us. Look at this. So the bike is literally fully stripped down, but we gotta get the front end off still. But I don't know if you want to see. Look what that lady did. But this we're keeping blue because I thought it looked kind of cool to have it blue. And that's also that way everyone knows the power area. You know. And I just got the chain cover off, and on the chain cover I'm gonna put MS on it. For Marley Savage, or we could name the bike something else. I think Splat or Splatter would be a cool name because of what we do to the thing later on. Can't get this thing fully done. The goal is to get this thing running and painted by the time we go to the pool on Sunday, and it's currently Friday. It's actually Saturday because it's 1 in the morning and I'm out here. So it's actually technically Saturday, but I started this on Friday, so we're counting it as Friday. Okay guys, it's currently about 1 o'clock and I'm still out here. Okay guys, sorry for the shorter video tonight, sorry for the shorter video, and sorry for this, basically this entire video being me as I didn't really talking, but my phone is running off barely any storage, so I have to have every video short so I can afford to upload it through YouTube, because I have to send it through my computer to my phone to YouTube. Unless they're gaming videos, of course, I can upload those from my other devices, from my tablet or something like that, which is what I wanted to do on here. But to edit a full video, it is hell on earth on a slow tablet. So what I'm planning to do with the gaming videos, since they're really long, just send them like via email or something to my tablet. I don't know what to do, guys. I'm a small creator. I'm a 15-year-old. I'm an idiot. Cut me some slack. Y'all are not going to get perfect upload schedules. Y'all are not going to get perfect videos. You're choosing to watch an idiot 15-year-old. You get what you get. I'm trying to get better at it, but it's very difficult. Being a teenager, in school, trying to get a job, trying to be able to drive, having to take care of a dog, having 9 other people living in your house, so you're always having to help out people. It's very difficult to have time to do YouTube. But I'll see y'all in the next video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and peace out. I don't have a new outro, and also the intro that y'all saw in this video is one of my old ones that I made forever ago, so let me know if y'all like that one. But I don't have a current outro anymore, so we're just gonna use an old one from like 2020 that I used to have on my really old gaming account, and call it a day. And once I get my new outro, we'll switch it back to a newer outro and newer intro, since I don't have those yet. Still designing them, but it takes time because it just takes time. Okay, let's get to the outro.